Introducing Satori Consulting and Phronesis Ventures Private Limited. Factory setup in Aurangabad and business headquarters in Pune, India. Phronesis and Satori Consulting is one of the top turnkey facade contractors in the country. The company operates pan-India and internationally with a staff strength of over 100 specialists and factory premises of 30,000 square feet in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Till date, the company has commissioned facade projects measuring 3 million square feet. We have a facade labor team of 15 labor contractors and 400 to 500 labor personnel. Our machine setup includes the most prestigious fully automatic and fully robotic unitized glazing machine from Hafner Makina, Germany. Such machinery makes it possible for us to fabricate 40 to 45 unitized glazing panels per shift, totaling a production of 250 to 325 square meters of glazing. Our capability includes design, supply and installations of facade items such as ACP cladding, Fundamax cladding, dry stone cladding, deck lam or equivalent tiles cladding, high pressure laminates cladding, polycarbonate work, structural semi-unitized and structural unitized glazing systems and structural curtain walls with SGU and DGU, aluminium louvers for commercial buildings and shop fronts, GI louvers, aluminium composite panel, fabrication of architectural, glass and aluminium windows and doors, patch fitting, premium quality aluminium and UPVC partitions, automatic sliding and swing doors for hotel entrances, executive office buildings, shopping malls. Sash cutting, fabrication and unitized glazing systems panels, etc. are done at our factory in Aurangabad. We provide best quality powder coating, anodizing and wooden coating with various RAL color options. This coating adds up to the durability of the product along with its aesthetic look. All aluminium 6063 T6 alloy used at our project sites is procured from vendors such as Jindal, Bharuka and Sapa and provided with test certificate. Coating of the alloy is done by Jotun, Axonable and authorized coating company JK, Unique, Ahura and Sai Chandan Coating and is tested, certified by the company. Anchor pull-out test and silicone sealant and spacer tape with test certificates are offered by the company. We offer various spider glazing and skylights, domes and canopies. Our 30,000 square feet factory setup is installed with different machines. Graco 2-head silicone pump, unitized machines by Hafner Makina Zanfe TIC AS, alum and UPVC cutting machine. It's a unique kind available currently in India. The machine is capable of doing following operations in bulk batches with a robotics and computerized interface, and the salient features of the machine are as follows. You can simultaneously load 10 jobs of transom or mullion aluminium section. All cutting, notching, milling, drilling and making barcode printer operations on the aluminium profiles have been integrated together in single computer controlled machine. Foam Italy make Panda 400 cutting machine. Foam Italy make Calco copy routing machine. Foam Italy make punching machine. CNC corner cleaning machine. 3-head welding machine. Glazing bead saw. Cutting machine. Foam Italy make jet end milling machine and crimping machine. Our work portfolio includes many eminent companies and individual ventures like Tata Motors, Bougainvillea, Kathmandu, Nepal, Cancer Hospital and Supreme Court, Mauritius, Solitaire Business Hub, Pune, Tapadia City Centre, Amravati, Town Square, VTP, Pune, Panvel Municipal Corporation, GMR, Chandrapur, Khinvasara Business Centre and Goldplex, Exurbia, Balewadi, Pune, Gartech, Pune, Lake District, Pune. We successfully completed the prestigious new Supreme Court building at Port Louis, Mauritius, 1 lakh square feet. The items covered in the project include ACP cladding, DGU unitized systems glazing, automatic glass door, louvers, spider, railing and punched windows. With 1 lakh square feet facade project completed internationally and 3 million square feet facade projects completed in India, Pronesis and Satori Consulting beholds the laurel of being one of the top turnkey facade contractor services in the country.